so far we've had 7 calves. Better keep my mouth shut. Just kind of wild. Let's see, I guess this heads out. Got my glove up for good luck. Oh dear. What's that? There. Got the head steward there. Oh, just right. You breathing? My goodness. 8. You're number 8 for calves today. It's pretty awesome. You're not as raggy as I thought you were, 5W, so I'm happy with that. Get out of the sunshine. Good job. Can I see the shucks? Oh, boss, you're gonna go after me. You're thinking about it. Oh, there. Heifer? Yeah. Heifer. Okay, good job. I'm happy with that. Got my cheering section back there. Good. Well, thank goodness. 9A. 8T did calve today. But thank goodness 9A is calving at the end there. Let's see, let's walk a few feet from her because she's, I just don't have my back turned to her. She's not going to go after me though, I don't think. But 9A had her kid, she's the dot, out there. Right, where's my finger? Oh, there is 9A, and then I don't know who that is. The calf there. She's sucking. I don't think there's any other calves. There was something walking with the tail out past Cactus Hill. That's Cactus Hill right here. And then we got a bunch in the corral. So it's been a very busy calving day. Calving afternoon, actually. We had 7 this afternoon since 2 o'clock. It's pretty good. They're all good. They're all good. So I'm happy about that. This little guy, she is sitting up good. So, right on. Thanks, everyone.